Hi, I have a quick update for you. Here's a video from yesterday, August 30th, from a friend of mine who walked into the Buenos Aires area. And as you can see here, he's going to show you how bad the power line situation is. They're wrapped all around. They're heading down into the river. You can see this road is washed away. There's the collapsed house, one of them. And here's the apartment building. It's teetering. Condominiums or apartments, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's an optical illusion, but it almost looks like it's tilting there. But here's the good news. I got a message from a friend of mine who lives in the area. Of course, they're still without power. I think it's going to be quite a while before that's restored. But water was restored to them just a few minutes before noon. So that's really good news. Apparently the water treatment plant is operational and they were probably just doing cleaning of lines. And since that water treatment plant is right there in Buenos Aires, I would assume that they have their own electrical lines coming in, super heavy duty, super power. So here they are walking on the road. That's my friend Ismael. He just had major surgery done 3 weeks ago. I can't believe he's walking in. But hey, that's the only option to get in and out. The bad news is it's going to be a long, long time before this road gets restored. Half of it is washed away. The rest of it's on the verge of collapsing. My friend who sent me these videos talked to the engineers. Any more rain, the whole rest of the road's going to go out. So there we go. That's our update, folks. Thanks for tuning in.